Welcome to today's talk on the fascinating topic of electrolysis. Electrolysis is the process of breaking down a substance into its individual elements through the application of an electric current. It is widely used in industries such as metallurgy, mining, and water treatment to separate charged chemicals and metals. At the core of electrolysis is the concept of electrochemical reactions. These reactions involve the transfer of electrons, which results in the formation of new compounds. The two main forms of electrolysis are electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. In an electrochemical cell, two electrodes are separated by an electrolyte, and an electric current is passed through the cell. The electrodes are called the anodic and cathodic compartments. When an electric current flows through the cell, the anodic compartment becomes positively charged, while the cathodic compartment remains negatively charged. During electrolysis, the positively charged anodic compartment breaks down the substance being processed, while the negatively charged cathodic compartment remains undisturbed. The products of the electrolysis process are the elements that make up the starting substance, with water being formed as a byproduct. For example, consider the electrolysis of water. If we apply an electric current to a mixture of water and salt, such as sodium chloride, water will be separated into hydrogen and oxygen gases at the anodic compartment. The hydrogen gas is a valuable resource, and it can be used in various applications, while the oxygen gas is breathed by humans and other animals. In conclusion, electrolysis is a powerful technology that has numerous applications in various industries. By understanding the basics of electrolysis and its applications, we can appreciate the ingenuity behind the development of this fascinating process.